Greetings, fellow resource enthusiasts, and welcome back to Stocks Telegraph. Today, we're setting our sights on a scorching hot commodity: copper. Copper prices have skyrocketed, surpassing a staggering $9,000 per ton. This surge is fueled by a powerful force, the ever-growing demand for clean energy and technological advancements. But with so many copper mining companies out there, how do you pick the right one for your portfolio? Fear not, because we're here to shed light on a potential copper champion, Freeport-McMoRan, trading under the ticker FCX. Let's buckle up and explore the world of copper. Is FCX the golden ticket you've been searching for? Before we dive into the data, we want to hear from you. Are you bullish on copper's future? What factors do you consider when investing in mining companies? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Now, grab your hard hats because we're about to embark on a financial expedition to see if Freeport-McMoRan is a worthy addition to your portfolio. In the next segment, we'll unveil FCX's recent financial performance and see if the numbers support the copper boom narrative. First up, let's take a look at the current price. FCX is sitting comfortably at $54.23 per share. This represents an impressive year-to-date performance of 27.81%, showcasing strong growth. Furthermore, FCX delivered an even more remarkable performance in the last quarter, with a growth rate of a staggering 39.87%. These figures paint a picture of a company riding the copper boom wave. FCX's financial fortitude extends beyond just its stock price. They boast a healthy gross margin of 29.85%, indicating their ability to generate profit efficiently. Looking ahead, analysts are optimistic about FCX's future. Estimates predict an impressive earnings per share growth of 36.21% for next year. This growth potential, coupled with their current profitability, makes Freeport-McMoRan an attractive investment opportunity. The positive sentiment surrounding FCX is further reinforced by recent analyst upgrades. Bank of America Securities upgraded FCX from neutral to buy, indicating their confidence in the company's future. They even assigned a price target of $59, suggesting significant upside potential for FCX's stock price. This bullish outlook from a reputable financial institution adds another layer of credibility to FCX's investment proposition. FCX's financial performance is undeniably impressive. Strong profitability, promising EPS growth, and analyst upgrades are all positive indicators. But is FCX all about numbers? Freeport-McMoRan recently secured a potentially significant deal with Max Resource for their Caesar copper-silver project in Colombia. This earn-in agreement allows FCX to acquire a majority stake in the project, further solidifying its position in the copper market. The agreement outlines a two-phased approach. In the initial phase, Freeport-McMoRan has the option to invest $50 million Canadian dollars in exploration expenditures and make cash payments of $1.55 million Canadian dollars to Max Resource. This initial investment will grant FCX a 51% ownership stake in the Caesar project. Crucially, during this phase, Max Resource will retain operational control, allowing FCX to assess the project's potential before committing further resources. If the initial exploration proves successful, Freeport-McMoRan has the opportunity to increase its stake to 80% ownership. This would require an additional $30 million Canadian dollar investment in exploration and further cash payments of $750,000 Canadian dollars spread over 5 years. This strategic agreement allows FCX to minimize upfront risk while gaining valuable insights into the Caesar project's potential. FCX's strategic expansion beyond established copper mines demonstrates their proactive approach to securing future copper resources. In the next segment, we'll explore some additional recent updates and offer some concluding thoughts on FCX and the overall copper market. Leave a comment below. Are you bullish on FCX's strategic move to acquire the Caesar copper-silver project? What other factors are important to consider when investing in copper mining companies? As a leading international mining company, FCX isn't limited to a single location. They operate large, geographically diverse mines with significant proven reserves, primarily concentrated in the Americas and Indonesia. This diversification protects them from geopolitical risks and ensures a steady supply of copper, gold, and molybdenum. Compared to competitors like Rio Tinto, Freeport-McMoRan offers even greater exposure to copper prices, making them a more direct play on the copper boom. FCX has been making strategic moves to solidify their financial position. By selling off certain assets, they've significantly strengthened their balance sheet. This financial prudence positions them for future investments and acquisitions. Analysts at Argus Research are bullish on FCX, maintaining a buy rating and raising their price target to $54. They acknowledge the positive impact of high copper prices on FCX's financial results and future prospects. Adding another layer of optimism, Indonesia recently announced plans to extend copper concentrate export permits for Freeport Indonesia, a subsidiary of FCX. This move could significantly impact the global copper supply, potentially driving prices even higher. A limited copper supply, coupled with rising demand, is a recipe for success for copper mining companies like FCX. So, is Freeport-McMoRan a worthy addition to your portfolio in light of the booming copper market? The evidence suggests a strong possibility. FCX boasts a geographically diverse asset base, significant proven copper reserves, and a focus on financial stability. Their recent acquisition of the Caesar Copper-Silver project demonstrates their commitment to securing future resources. Furthermore, analysts are bullish on FCX, with positive ratings and rising price targets. The potential extension of copper concentrate export permits in Indonesia adds another layer of optimism to the FCX story. Ultimately, the decision to invest in Freeport-McMoRan rests with you. Remember, responsible investing requires careful consideration. Research copper price forecasts, analyze global copper demand trends, and assess your risk tolerance. The copper market is exciting, but it can also be volatile. Conduct thorough due diligence before making any investment decisions. Freeport-McMoRan presents a compelling opportunity for investors seeking exposure to the copper boom. Their global reach, strategic acquisitions, improving financials, and focus on copper production position them well to capitalize on the growing demand for this critical metal. However, responsible investing requires a calculated approach. We've provided the information and analysis to help you navigate this dynamic market. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you believe Freeport-McMoRan is a strong contender in the copper market? What other copper mining companies are you keeping an eye on? Thanks for joining us on Stocks Telegraph. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of exciting investment opportunities. Until next time, happy hunting.